Yo mga koy, so today we are going to set up AI agents sa high level, inbound agent that is optimized for appointment booking, lead qualification, and this guide includes yung mga setup steps, recommended configurations, automation workflow, tapos best practices, and tetestingin natin or magkakandak tayo ng example dun sa mga call flows, mga koys. So kung gusto mong matuto ng pag-setup ng inbound AI agents, tapusin mo tong video na to, And by the way mga koys, this video is sponsored by High Level. So alam naman natin na High Level is a CRM that is using by the businesses worldwide, And hindi lang siya basta CRM, marami siyang pwedeng gawin, and one of them is the creation or setting up our inbound AI agent, mga koys. So thank you High Level sa pag-sponsor ng video na to. If you are interested in High Level, mga koys, meron tayong link dyan sa baba. So that's a 30-day trial, You can enjoy High Level for free in 1 month or 30 days, hindi 14 days, by signing up on my link sa baba, So kung ready ka na, simulan na natin. Let's go! So what are we going to do, mga koys, is an AI agent inbound for an HVAC company. So ayun lang yung example ko, Pero pwede naman kayo mag-setup ng kahit anong company or scenario within your AI agent, And syempre, ang kailangan natin dito, mga koys, dapat meron kang high level na sub-account, So kung wala ka pang high level sub-account, you can register dyan sa baba for a 30 days trial, mga koys. Or kung may client kayo, pwede nyo silang pag-sign upin din dyan, So, para at least yan, 30 days, Kumpara mo sa 15 days lang. Or 14 days lang. Kasi, bitin yun, Magkakaroon ka na ng libre access sa high level for 1 month. And yun, mas okay siya pang kung gusto mong mag-practice or kung gusto mong explore yung high level lang, or kung meron kang client, gusto niyang explore yung high level. So, you can use my link dyan sa baba. Sign up na kayo. And then, once you sign up, syempre, agency access yan. So, mag-create ka lang ng sub-account, for this. So, hindi ka natuturo yun, mga koys, kung paano mag-setup ng sub-account. Check nyo na lang yung ibang videos ko, nandiyan naman yan, So, in my case, okay na yung sub-account ko. So, ito, meron tayo dito AI agent. So, dyan tayo magsa-setup mamaya. Tapos, meron pa tayong mga kailangang i-prepare yung mga assets natin, for our HVAC company para mabuo natin yung AI inbound agent natin, So, nandyan yung service list, operating hours, service areas, tapos booking calendar, Then, syempre, kailangan mo rin ng phone number, So, kung wala ka pang phone number, click mo yung settings, tapos punta ka sa phone system, ayan. So, ako kasi bumili na ako ng phone number, So, ito yung gagamitin mong number just in case gusto mo tong gamitin pang live, Add number, click mo, tapos add phone number, tapos yan, meron dyan mga selection, Yan. $1.15 lang naman, kung sa US. Kung Pilipinas kasi, mahal, So, check nyo yan, tingnan nyo, Philippines. Mahal lang phone number sa atin, $15. Ayan, meron pang 25, yan, 120. So, yung mga numbers na $120, mga koys, approved na kasi ito sa A2P. So, kaya siya mahal. So, bale, mangyayari, gagamitin mo na lang to. So, okay na. Pwede na siya pang SMS. Hindi ka na mag-apply sa A2P niyan. So, ayan. Otherwise, kung ayaw mo naman bumili ng number, okay lang din. So, magtetest na lang tayo mamaya, using our web call. So, pagka natapos natin yung AI inbound agent natin. So, ayan. Back tayo. Tapos, punta tayo sa AI agents, mga koys. Ayan. So, meron dito voice AI saka conversation AI, So, we are going to focus sa voice AI muna. Pag click mo yung voice AI, meron dyan inbound sa outbound. And ngayon, we are going to create the inbound agent muna, mga koys. Yung outbound agent, siguro sa separate video na lang, Kasi medyo mahababang setup na tong inbound, So, andito na tayo sa voice AI, So, click mo yung create agent. Tapos, create custom agent, continue. So, ayan, agent details. So, siguro, lagay natin si, siguro Hana. Kasi HVAC siya, Tapos, business name natin is, ayan, tanggalin natin yung Technical Virtual Assistance PH. HVAC United. So, siguro yan na lang, HVAC United, mga koys. Tapos, language, English. Tapos, yung voice, siguro, check natin si Jessica kung maganda yung boses niya.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything. My name's Jessica and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
Yan. Okay na siguro yan si Jessica. Maganda naman yung boses niya. Tapos, time zone natin kung nasan ka. So, in my case, since pang US to, so maghanap ako ng US na time zone, -6 na lang. Yan. -6. Yan. Indiana. Tapos, yung LLM model natin, so, depende ito sa budget natin, So, syempre, mas maganda, mas mahal, For example, itong GPT-4o, so 0.02 siya per minute. Tapos yung mga mini naman, yan, medyo mura siya ng konti, 0.002. Tapos yung mga mini, so kung mapapansin nyo, mas mura siya, 0.002. Pero yun nga, baka hindi ganun kaganda yung sagot nila. So kaya I suggest, or yung high level mismo, nire-recommend niya, GPT-4o, no? Ayan. 0.02 per minute. So check natin yung pricing info, no? So ayan, estimated LLM charges per minute. So 0.020. So voice engine, wave, post-call analysis free daw. Knowledge-based hosting free. So ayan, 0.02 per minute. Tapos meron pa ditong disclaimer, voice engine charges are waived for all outbound and voice widget calls. So yung outbound daw, as of this video, libre siya, no? So until December 31 daw. So that's good kung gusto nyong mag-setup na ng outbound after nito. Pero ayan, as mentioned, inbound lang yung i-setup natin. Tapos ito yung initial message. So pwede nyo palitan yan, no? Kayo na bahala, pero ako okay na siguro yan. So palitan ko lang yung company kasi HBAC United eh. So dapat HBAC United din to. So ayan, tapos next tayo. So agent goals. So ito yung pinaka basic mode, no, na pag-setup. So siguro gawin nating advanced mode. Tapos maglagay tayo ng prompt dito, no. So ayan, bale, meron akong prompt na nakalagay. Ni-ready ko na to, no. So pwede nyo gawin, mag-setup kayo or mag-chat GPT kayo. Tapos siguro ilagay nyo doon prompt for my AI inbound agent for HBAC company. So something ganyan, ayan. Ava pala yung pangalan niya. So siguro palitan natin, gawin natin Hana. Hana kasi nilagay natin doon, di ba? HBAC United. So your job is to answer calls, provide service information, qualify the customer, and book appointments. So you must always be friendly, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos your book appointments for AC repair, AC installation, furnace repair, duct cleaning, tune-ups. So service areas included. So siguro mag-ano tayo dito, search tayo, sample cities and zip codes for US. Sabihin natin ito na lang. Huntsville. Tapos, ayusin nyo lang yung mga font, no? Okay na yan. Ayun yung mga ano natin. Tapos, if outside service area, politely decline. So, if emergency, no cooling heating, prioritize same-day scheduling. Never make up prices, only read off existing data inside the CRM, respond with, and we confirm that with the office and get back to you. Siguro tanggalin natin tong let me confirm that. Mas maganda yung advanced mode kasi mas maka-customize mo siya based dun sa pinaka gusto mong mangyari, no? Or pinaka gusto mong gawin ng iyong AI agent, no? Ipaprompt mo lang siya, ganyan-ganyan. Unlike pagka naka-basic mode, sobrang basic lang talaga eh, no? So, tapos, dun sa phone number, so siguro bumili na lang kayo ng tago $1, no? 50 pesos lang naman yun, or 60 something. Pang test lang. Pero kung ayaw nyo talaga, edi okay lang din. So, mag-test na lang kayo mamaya gamit yung web call, no? Tapos ito, enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number pool. So, AI agent will answer the call if the user call forwarding number doesn't respond. Toggle nyo na lang siguro yan, no? Tapos ito, set working hours for the agent. The agent is active 24/7. So, ngayon, 24/7 siya. So, pag clinic mo yan, maka-customize mo yung schedule ng AI agent mo, no? So, siguro 24/7 na lang yan. So, tapos, yung pag-testing nung yung agent natin, pwedeng via phone call. Tapos, pagka bumili ka ng number, pwede mong i-select yung phone number na pinili mo, no? Tapos, ito kasi US phone eh. So, hindi natin to matitesting. Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, pero kung nasa ibang bansa ka, pwede siguro. Especially kung nasa US ka, no? So, pwede mo siya i-test. Otherwise, pwede natin gawin, web call lang muna. So, start web call tayo.
Hey, you have reached HVAC United. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to schedule an AC repair, please.
Sure thing. Let's get that scheduled for you. Could you share the address where the service is needed? This will help me confirm if it's within our service area.
Yeah, so my zip code is 35810.
Got it. 35810. That's within our service area in North Huntsville. Now, could you let me know if this is an urgent issue, like no cooling, or if it's something less immediate? This will help me prioritize the scheduling.
Actually,
no problem at all. Thanks for calling HVAC United. Have a great day.
ayun, so working naman siya, no? So sa ngayon, wala pa siyang mga knowledge base, mga ganyan-ganyan kasi hindi pa naman tayo nag-setup, no? So nag-test lang talaga tayo ng call and working naman siya. So save natin. Tapos balik tayo dun sa agent list. Yan, si Hana. So tapos gagawin natin is, punta tayo dito sa agent goals. So tapos select knowledge base. So create new. So create knowledge base. Ayan, so siguro maglalagay ako ng knowledge base that includes yan, yung service descriptions ng HVAC natin, price ranges, FAQs, tapos warranty information, tapos maintenance plan details, then service area list, tapos technician availability, no? So siguro so HVAC United knowledge base. Yan. So create. So siguro add source, tapos rich text. So gagawin natin HVAC United knowledge base na lang ulit. Tapos dito sa part na to mag-chat GPT tayo. So sabi mo kay chat GPT, create me a knowledge base for my HVAC company named HVAC United. This will be used for our AI inbound agent. The knowledge base must include, so yan, paste ko na lang kasi kinaka-paste ko lang yan. Tapos yung service area list natin, copy na lang natin yung kanina, no? So ito. So tanggalin natin yung service area list dito. Service area list below. So ayan. Tapos yun, enter. So ito na yung gagamitin nating knowledge base para dito sa ating AI inbound agent, no? So diyan siya kukuha ng sagot, no? Kaya nga siya knowledge base. Kung ano man yung tanungin ng customer regarding doon sa mga HVAC services, all data or all information must came from here, no? Sa ating knowledge base na isa-setup. So tingnan natin kung okay na. So para ma-copy paste natin siya ng diretso, mga koy, sasabihin ko sa ChatGPT, insert inside yung tick, yung key na nasa tabi ng number 1. So yan yun, tick yung tawag doon. So insert inside, tatlong tick. Yan, type nyo. Enter natin yan. So, yan. Ganyan siya, no? So, pagka ganito kasi, mas madali siyang i-copy-paste. Unlike pagka ganitong format. So, ganito lang yung ginagawa ko pagka meron akong kailangan i-copy-paste from ChatGPT going to somewhere. So, in our case, dito sa high level, no? So, ayan. Okay na. So, copy na natin to. Copy code. Yan. Tapos, paste na natin dito, no? Yan. So, okay na yan. Siguro tanggalin natin to. So, yan. Tapos, save. Yan. So, okay na yung knowledge base natin. Balik tayo dun sa voice AI. Tapos, agent list. Yan, si Hana. Click mo. Tapos, agent goals. Then, select knowledge base. Yan, yung HVAC United knowledge base natin. Keep in mind, mga koysa, medyo matagal talaga siyang mag-reflect dito sa selection. Kasi, syempre, baka nagre-render pa siya, nag-extract pa, or ini-store pa sa mismong high-level database para maging ready dito sa ating agent as a knowledge base, no? So, yan. Bale, when to use this knowledge base. So, use this knowledge base if the user asks any questions about business, service, products, contact details, or other relevant information that requires accessing the business wiki to provide accurate and up-to-date information, no, mga koys. So, ayan. And then, let's make sure na yung knowledge base natin is fit dito, no? So siguro gawin nyo na lang is control-C nyo to or copy nyo to, tapos paste nyo dito and say na make sure that this knowledge base will fit my system prompt below. Tapos paste nyo. Tapos enter. So balik, mangyayari pagka natapos na yan, so copy mo lang ulit, tapos balik ka dun sa knowledge base, tapos edit mo to, syempre, edit, tapos rich text, click mo yan, tapos ayan, palitan mo nito. So okay na yan, click mo yung copy, tapos paste mo ulit dito, no? Yan, so okay na siguro yan, click mo yung save. So, it will take time ulit para mag-update siya ng tuluyan, no? In case na ginagamit nyo na to tapos gusto nyo i-update. So, baka medyo tumagal. So, hayaan nyo lang muna, no? So, back tayo. And we are done with our knowledge base, agent list, Hana. Tapos, agent goals ka ulit. Select mo yung HVAC United knowledge base. Tapos, save. And yun, that's it. So, we are done with our knowledge base, mga koys, no? So, next natin gagawin is yung actions, no? So, new action ka, tapos, yan, meron dito, call transfer, trigger workflows, and SMS, update contact field, appointment booking, custom action, or MCP. So, ang gagawin natin, mga koys, syempre, magbubook ng appointment, tapos, mag-create ng contacts, tapos, mag-send ng SMS confirmation, tapos, mag-trigger ng workflows, no? So, unang mga natin gagawin, mga koys, yung transfer, no? Transfer to human. So, syempre, pagka in case na hindi na masagot ng AI and yung customer or client or lead is nag-request to speak to a human. So, syempre, kailangan natin i-add, no? So, new action, tapos call transfer. So, siguro transfer to human. Tapos, yung phone number na to transfer to. So, in my case, wala akong phone number. So, siguro lagay na lang natin yan. Tapos, when should the call transfer take place? So, let's say, if the user wants to talk to a human or need other clarification that is not present on the knowledge base. Yan. Ito, transferring the call now. Tapos, save. Yun. We're done with our transfer to human. So, next natin gagawin is mag-add tayo ng action or let's say workflow automation na mag-add ng tag dun sa contact natin saying, let's say, tag is booked by AI or something. So, okay, para tayo sa automations. Tapos, create workflow, start from scratch. Tapos, ang magiging trigger natin dito is appointment status. So, filter natin event type is normal, add filters. Appointment status is new. Yan. So, save. Tapos, plus. Tapos, add ka dito ng send SMS. So, yung SMS natin mga kuys, dapat yung phone number na gagamitin nyo dito is approved dapat, no, sa A2P registration. Otherwise, hindi gagana to. But for the sake of this video, isa-set up lang natin to, no, pang practice lang, no. So, para gumana to, kailangan nyo ng phone number na approved sa A2P. So, action name is SMS. So, siguro, palitan ko to, send confirmation SMS. Tapos dito, sa message, siguro, write with AI tayo. Friendly. So, send a message that the schedule for your HVAC appointment is confirmed. Yan. Generate SMS. Yan. Okay na yan. Tapos use message. And we look forward to see you then. Best regards. So, HVAC United. So, yan yung pangalan ng HVAC natin eh. So, save. Tapos siguro next natin gagawin is internal notification. So, internal notification na siguro email to user type, custom email. Tapos from name, HVAC United Appointments. So, yan. Tapos from email, service.hvacunited.com. So, itong email na to, hindi to existing mga kuya. Inimbento ko lang yan. Pero kung meron kayong mga preferred na email na gagamitin, tas working, eh, yung ilagay nyo dito, no? So, ito, for the sake of this tutorial lang to. So, to user type custom email. So, yung email nung, nyo, technician, no? Siguro tech@hvacunited.com. Kung meron kayong custom field or custom variable na gusto nyo gamitin dito, pwede rin naman, no? So, subject, yan, new HVAC appointment received. Tas message, write with AI. So, dito sa tone, urgent. Tapos, ang prompt natin is send a notification saying that a new booking is confirmed with your HVAC appointment. So, generate email. Yan. So, use email. So, hi. Siguro ito kasi baka wala sa contact list yung technician nyo. So, most likely, static data lang to or fixed lang, no? Hi, Mark na lang. Let's assume na Mark yung pangalan nung nung technician. So, ayan, best regards, HVAC United. Tapos ito, action name is send notification to technician. Yan, save action. Tapos next, add contact tag tayo. Tapos book by AI. So, para alam lang natin, no, kung sino yung mga contacts na binook ng AI. So, save action. So, add tag book by AI. Something like that, mga kuys. So, save. Tapos, ang workflow natin is appointment book by AI. Tapos, save. Tapos, syempre, publish mo yan. Kung gusto mo lang, ayan, publish, tapos save ulit. Tapos, balik tayo dun sa ating AI agent. Voice AI, agent list, HANA, agent goals. So, ilalagay natin yon after the call, no? Tapos, scroll down ka, tapos check mo yung trigger workflow when call is completed. Tapos, select workflow. Appointment booked by AI. Tapos, receive email notification post call completion. So, siguro all admins na lang. Tapos, click mo yung save. Then, next natin gagawin is set natin yung calendar natin. Click mo yung calendar. Skip for now. Tapos, click mo yung calendar settings, no? Yan. Tapos, click mo yung new calendar. Tapos ito, personal booking. Tapos, pili ka ng team member kung sino man yung So, siguro ito lang, TBA support. So, calendar name is HVAC appointments. So, okay na yan. Bale, custom URL, pwede nyo palitan. So, in my case, okay na siguro yan. Tapos, meeting duration natin, gawin natin 1 hour. Yan. Or 2 hours. Since HVAC yan. Tapos, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, kung meron kang Saturday saka Sunday, check mo yan. Pero ito, okay na to, confirm. So, preview booking widget. So, okay naman, working yan. So, yan, goods. Tapos, balik tayo dun sa ating AI agent. Voice AI. Tapos, agent list ulit. HANA. Tapos, agent goals. Tapos, dun sa during the call, yung actions natin, add tayo ng new action. Appointment booking. Select calendar. Ayan. HVAC appointments. So, this calendar will be used to book appointments. So, 3 days of offering dates. So, set the number of consecutive days for the agent to suggest dates. So, 3. Appointment slots per day, 3. Yan. Choose the maximum number of slots the agent offers each day. So, hours between slots. Siguro 3 hours. Okay na yan. So, save. So, okay na yan mga kois. So, pwede na tong i-testing. So, subukan natin na mag-book tayo ng call. So, web call. So, start web call tayo mga kois. Yan.
Hey, you have reached HVAC United. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book an appointment for my AC installation, please. Is Monday, November 17, 2025 at 11 o'clock a.m. available?
It looks like we don't have an available slot at 11 a.m. on Monday, November 17, 2025. However, we do have some later options on that day. 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m. Would any of these work for you?
Yes. So, can you book me on 6 p.m., please?
To book your appointment, I'll need your email address so we can send you the confirmation details. Could you please provide your email?
Yeah, so my email is rjvillar@gmail.com.
You're all set. Your AC installation appointment is confirmed for Monday, November 17th, 2025 at 6 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Nope, I'm good.
All right, have a great day.
Bye.
If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Take care.
Bye. So, ayun, working na working, no? So, tingnan natin kung nag-book siya dun sa calendar natin. So, check natin, no? Filter natin by user. So, TVA support lang yung nalagay ko doon. Tapos, yung calendar natin is ito, HVAC appointments. So, ayun, pumasok naman, no? So, iba lang yung time na sinet niya dito kumpara dun sa, sa call kasi naka-CST time yon, no? So, kaya 8 o'clock AM. So, kayo na lang bahala mag-optimize mga kois, ha? So, kasi hindi pa to ganun ka-perfect, no? Such that, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-setup ng outbound agent na working, no? So, in my case, working naman siya. Tapos, ayan, pag clinic mo yan, so for some reason, JXL Pinas admin yung pangalan kasi hindi niya rin kinuha yung pangalan nung caller. So, i-add nyo lang dun sa prompt nyo. So, siguro baguhin nyo to, ChatGPT kayo. So, sabihin nyo, get email, name, and phone number as those are required. So, ayan, parang ganyan. Tapos, pagka in-enter nyo yan, syempre, magbabago na yan. So, pagka tapos na si ChatGPT mag-generate niyan, i-paste nyo na doon sa pinaka-prompt ng AI agent para at least makuha niya yung email saka phone number tas yung pangalan. So, sa ngayon, wala pa siya, no, kasi hindi natin na-add. So, kayo na lang bahala mag-add nun, mga quiz, or kayo na lang bahala mag-ayos nito. So, it will be your practice rin. Ayan, working naman. And check ulit natin yung AI agent natin. Voice AI, agent list. Then, ayun, pwede nyo nang i-edit yung voice. Kung ayaw nyo kay Jessica, pili kayo ng bago. Tapos, kung meron kayong US phone number, tawagan nyo yung phone number na binili nyo in case na nag-connect kayo ng phone number dito. Tapos, check nga natin yung automation natin kung pumasok doon, no? So, dalawa na. Total enrolled. So, appointment booked by AI. So, dalawa daw yung enrolled. So, tingnan natin. Execution logs. So, JXL Pinas admin kasi wala siyang binigay na pangalan, no? Kaya, dinefault niya dyan kung sino yung admin or yung pangalan nung inassign nating email, no? So, in my case kasi, JXL Pinas admin yung pangalan ng TVA support na email, no? So, tingnan natin to mga quiz. Tignan natin kung working yung tag or na-add ba yung tag. So, dapat ma-add, no? So, ayan, booked by AI. So, working naman siya, no? Such that hindi lang talaga niya nakuha yung name saka yung phone number. So, as I mentioned, baguhin nyo na lang yung prompt nyo. So, katulad nung ginawa ko nito. So, ayan, bale. Meron ng changes yan, ayan. Full name, phone number, email, tapos service address, zip code, ayan. Ayan yung mga required fields, no? So, pag okay na yan, copy, tapos paste nyo dun sa AI agent nyo, no? And kung hindi pa kayo kontento, so pwede pa kayo mag-add dito ng mga extra actions, no? Yan, during the call, Ayan, marami kayong pwedeng ilagay. So, update contact field kung gusto nyo. Tapos, send SMS. Tapos, pwede rin kayong mag-trigger ng workflow, no? Kung meron kayong gustong i-trigger na workflow. Tapos, after the call, pwede rin kayong mag-trigger ng multiple workflows kung kailangan. So, in my case kasi, ito lang naman yung kailangan ko. Appointment book by AI. So, kaya yan, nandyan. So, di ba, sobrang dali lang naman mag-setup ng inbound agent, no, sa high level. Kumpara sa N8N na ginawa natin previously. So, ito, sagit na sagit lang, di ba? And that's it for this video, mga koys. So, kung bitin ka rito sa tutorial natin, pwede kang mag-sign up sa Technical Virtual Assistant course. Nandiyan yung link sa baba. So, tinuturo doon AI automation, Zapier, Make, N8N, tas Go High Level kasama. And other stuff like vibe coding with Lovable, WordPress, and marami pa. Tapos, meron din kaming community and daily Zoom na open 24/7. So, in case may tanong ka, pasok ka lang dun sa Zoom namin, no? So, may mga tao dun na sasagot for your questions regarding dun sa course and anything related sa Tech VA, no? And again, mga kuys, kung gusto nyo ng high level na trial for 30 days, andyan rin yung link sa baba. So, register kayo dyan. So, ayun, mga kuys, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.